So in this video, we are going to learn how to add Monday Sales CRM contact to MailerLite as subscriber. So let's say you are using Monday.com's Monday Sales CRM as a CRM platform and you want that whenever a new contact is created in the Sales CRM of Monday, you want to add that same contact as subscriber in MailerLite. So let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So in this automation, whenever a new contact will be added in our Monday.com Sales CRM, automatically the same contact will be added in MailerLite as a subscriber. Now, if you want to know how you can set up this kind of automation, for that you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Monday Sales CRM account. Now I want that whenever a new contact is added in my Monday Sales CRM, I want to add that same contact as a subscriber in MailerLite. And to do this, we have to connect Monday.com Monday Sales CRM with MailerLite. And we are going to use an automation and integration platform called Pabbly Connect to do so. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. After reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as Monday Sales CRM to MailerLite. Monday Sales CRM to MailerLite. And after that, just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create the workflow and click on Create. And now here you can see the workflow is open. In this workflow, you can see two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect Monday.com, Monday Sales CRM with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever a new contact is created in Monday Sales CRM, automatically the details of that new contact will be received inside Pabbly Connect. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we can add the details of that new contact. We can send those details to MailerLite and add them as a subscriber in our MailerLite account. So let's see how it is done. Starting from our trigger window in Choose Apps, search for Monday.com. Just select it. After selecting Monday.com in trigger event from this drop-down, select the trigger event as New Item in Board. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we are going to connect Monday.com, Monday Sales CRM with Pabbly Connect. And to add this webhook URL, we just have to follow the instructions given below over here. Just copy the webhook URL from here and go to your Monday Sales CRM account. After coming to the CRM, just click on this Integrate button and here under Integration, search for webhooks. Just select it. After selecting webhooks, here you can see a list of different events. Out of all of this, we have to select this event, that is when an item is created, send a webhook. So that whenever a new item will be created in our Monday Sales CRM board or a new contact will be created, the details of that contact will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Just click on this Add to Board button. After that, here it is asking us for the webhook URL. And we have to enter the exact same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. Just copy it from here and then paste it over here. After pasting the webhook URL, just click on Connect. And as we click on Connect, this webhook URL is now added in our Monday.com account. Click on this Add to Board button and we are good to go. We have successfully connected Monday.com, our Monday Sales CRM with Pabbly Connect, and this automation is created over here. After this, whenever a new item will be created in this particular board, whenever a new contact will be added in Monday Sales CRM, automatically the details of that contact will be received inside Pabbly Connect. And here in our Pabbly Connect workflow, it is showing us waiting for webhook response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response, some details of a new contact from Monday Sales CRM. So let's do it. We are going to add a new contact over here. I'll just go to the card section and I'll add a new contact. The name of this contact is, for example, test user. This is the name. This is a dummy mobile number which we are going to enter. The company is, for example, ABC Company. Just a random dummy company. This is the email address which we are entering. And after that, here we have to enter the priority. The priority is, for example, medium, and the type is, for example, a customer. So just now we have entered the details of a new user, of a new customer over here. I'll just change the country code or add the country code over here and click on create contact. So as we click on create contact, here you can see just now a new contact is added in Monday.com or Monday Sales CRM. And because we have connected this board with the webhook URL with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, within few seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, you can see the details of the exact same contact. Here you can see the same name, test user. We will scroll down. After that, here you can see the same company. Here you can see the same label customer which we have selected. We will scroll down further. Here you can see the same email address and the mobile number as well. This means the details of a new contact from Monday Sales CRM is successfully received inside Pabbly Connect, and the step 1 of our automation is completed. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we want to send these same details of this new contact to MailerLite. For that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in Choose App, we are going to search for MailerLite. You can select MailerLite or MailerLite Classic as per your MailerLite account. I'm selecting MailerLite over here. Then in action event from this drop down, select the action event as create or update subscriber. After selecting this, just click on connect and then select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our MailerLite account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API token of our MailerLite account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API token. So to get the token, just go to the dashboard of your MailerLite account and from the left sidebar, go to integrations. After coming to integrations, here in front of API, click on use and here you will see a list of all the API tokens which you have created. To create a new one, just click on this generate new token button and give this token a name. I'll name it as Monday.com. You can basically give any other name of your choice and click on create token. So here you can see the new API token is generated. Copy this token from here and paste it over here. And after pasting the API token, just click on save. And as we click on save, we will see our MailerLite account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, here it is asking us subscriber email, that what is the email address of the subscriber which we want to add or update in MailerLite. And here you can see a drop down. Now we don't have to select the subscriber from this drop down. What we are going to do, we will just turn on the mapping button in front of it and clear the default response. And after clearing this default response, from the email address which we have received from Monday.com in the trigger step, we are going to map the response of this particular email address in this MailerLite action step. So here in Monday.com responses, you will see the email. And we are going to map this same email over here. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of subscriber email and here from the drop down where you can see a list of all the responses of a new contact which we have received from Monday Sales CRM, select the response of email and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever customer email you are going to enter in your Monday.com account or while adding the contact in Monday Sales CRM, with the same email we are going to add them in MailerLite. After mapping the email address, it is asking us for the status. We have unsubscribed, active or confirmed. So what should be the status of these new subscriber which we are adding? So I want the status to be active. So I'm selecting active over here. Then it is asking us for the group that in your MailerLite account, in which particular group you want to add the subscriber. I want to add the subscriber in this group named as product deals. So we are selecting that. Then it is asking us for the name. So we have received the name of the subscriber, name of the contact from Monday Sales CRM. So from trigger responses, we are going to select the response of name and map it. Then it is asking us for the last name, but because we have mapped the full name over here, we can ignore this field of last name for now. Then it is asking us for the company. So from the drop down, select and map the response of company as well. Then we don't have the details like country, city, phone, state or zip. So if you want, you can ignore these fields. But in the field of phone, you can basically map the response of mobile number as well. So from the drop down, we are going to select and map the mobile number. In this way, whatever details of a new contact we are receiving from Monday Sales CRM, you have to map those details in this MailerLite action step. And after mapping all the required details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now, when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the details which we have mapped over here, basically the contact which we have created in Monday Sales CRM, the same contact is now added as a subscriber in MailerLite. So let's check it. We will go to our MailerLite account, and after that we will just go to the subscribers section. And yes, here you can see test12@pabblytudes.com. The same person to whom we have added as a contact in Monday Sales CRM, that same person is now added as a subscriber in MailerLite. The status is active, and we will scroll down, and here you can see the same details. We have the same group which we have selected in our Pabbly Connect workflow. We have the same name, same company name, and the mobile number. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. Now after setting up this automation, we are going to test this automation workflow once. We will go to Monday Sales CRM and we are going to add a new contact over here. This time the name of the contact is dummy contact. Then the phone number is, for example, this, a dummy phone number which we are entering. Then the company is, for example, XYZ.org. The email address is this. And after that, let's enter the priority as well. The priority is high and the type is vendor, for example. Let's click on create contact. So just now we have added a new contact in our Monday Sales CRM. And as this new contact is added, we will see immediately, instantly within few seconds, the same contact will be added as a subscriber in MailerLite. So we will just come to MailerLite. Once again, we'll go back to the subscriber section. And yes, here you can see the same person, dummy contact, has been added in MailerLite as a subscriber. You can see the same email, same name, same group, same company, and the same mobile number. This means the automation workflow is working perfectly fine, and we have tested it in real time. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation for absolutely free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, that is also free as well.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.